Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? I have a very unique unboxing that I'm gonna do, and I want to show it to you. This is the 360 Wi-Fi cloud camera. Now, it's not just any type of camera, and I want to check it out. So let's do this. Don't worry, this is gonna be a quick one. Now, so real quick. See if you can see that. See this, the cord, the power cord. And the cool thing about this is that it's versatile, so it comes off. All right, you can plug it into your computer or whatever. All right. Now this particular camera, it connects to your Wi-Fi in your home, your business, wherever. Okay. Now this camera has HD video. Cool thing about this also, this is a security camera. Okay. This camera has two-way audio. So what that means basically is that you could talk to someone and they could talk to you. You hear them, they'll hear you, and you never have to be in the area. You could be out of town in another state. Okay. And the cool thing about this also that it connects to the cloud. Okay. So let's say you have an intruder come in. They see the camera, they try to disable it. It's too late for them. What I mean by that is their picture is automatically streamed live live to the cloud in a secure area. So boom, you got that photo. You got the incident right there. Okay, even if they disconnect the camera, it doesn't matter. You got it. All right. Now, this also has 3D navigation, and basically it can go all the way around. Okay. It doesn't just have to stay there. This thing can spin all the way around. It can go all the way up, all the way, flip itself over. It's like a wheel. It's orb. It's like an orb. Okay. Now, it has IR night vision, motion detection, smart alarm recording. You can set it up to automatically record with any type of motion. It has a 360, as I stated, degree rotation. It has video encryption, very important. The video that it sees is sent to a server. All that's encrypted. Okay, so even if someone try to hack it, they're just gonna get jumbled. Okay. They also have account encryption. So not only is your video stream encrypted, your account that you create is encrypted, and it's not expensive at all. They have some accounts as low as $1 a month. Okay. Also, a mobile remote control. What that means is you can literally move the camera. You'll install an app to your iPhone or your Android smartphone, and you literally could move this whole entire camera with that app. You can speak to someone through this camera with the app no matter where you're at. Okay? You could zoom in on something with your app. You could take photos and streams. You could be far away with your app. Okay? Trying to give you a full view of that. This also supports, it has a PC software that comes with it. Okay? But you don't need it, believe it or not. Once you set this up, once you set this up with your Wi-Fi, and it's super, super easy, I've done it. Once you set this up with your Wi-Fi, it's like that. It's connected. And it talks to you. It'll tell you connected, not connected. It'll tell you if it's having an issue. It talks to you, it communicates to you. Okay. And as I stated, it has cloud storage, okay? But there's also, you can also use a card, a SD card on it, and it can store it on the SD card too. So you can store it two ways. All right? So this is what I wanted to show you. This is beautiful right there. I actually bought this one off of Wish, Wish with the Wish app, WISH, and but it takes about a month to get to you when you're ordering off of Wish, unless you want to pay a large amount of money for delivery. And but it was one of the best investments I've ever made. Okay, it really, really is, and I love it, and it pays for itself today. Okay, and what's so funny is that, let's say if you have a ex or someone that you're not really crazy about, and they want to come in and have a meeting with you, talk to you about something, you would be surprised at how civil they act when they see this pointing at them in the room, in the area that they walk into. I had riffraff outside my house. I put it in my window. The people stopped hanging around that area. Like that. Okay? They didn't know if it could pick them up or not. It doesn't matter. They see a cam, they see a little light flickering on it. That's it. They're out of there. Okay? And I just wanted to, that's that quick unboxing on that. I just wanted to show you that. It's a 360 Wi-Fi cloud camera. Okay? And the app that it uses is called 360i, EYE, version S. So it's going to be 360 IS. Okay? And that's the app you would download for it. So this right here usually runs you, this single device right here will run you about $35. Okay? And yeah, that's a little steep, but it's worth the security, it's worth the instant live upload to a server. So therefore, if anything does happen, they automatically got the picture, they got the person, even if the person's covered, you now have a second witness to show the police, yeah, this incident did happen. This is not your imagination. Okay? Let me tell you a quick funny story. One time, I was sleeping really good, and it went off. So I'm thinking maybe it was dust or something, and it literally, I just saw a blur, but literally was following something that dissipated. This is the truth. I am not lying. Freaked me out because I was like, okay, there's no one here. There's nothing here. My front door is secure. And it literally follows something. Okay, and I could see it following something because everything around whatever was falling was clear, except for whatever was falling was blurry, and then it dissipated. But that's a story for another day. And that's my quick unboxing of my. This is my baby, my little security cam. All right, and I will try to put the links in the description box below. All right, please subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, you're cool with me. And you can also share the video, and I shall rap to you later. Peace out.